Okay, this is Central Festival Mall in hatyai. So I walked around downtown for a little bit, and I was like, I'm gonna see. Sometimes you can see kind of more of the place sometimes when you go to where everybody else is going to. So I came out here. So let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So I came out here. So we're basically gonna try to get inside and see if they can bring the camera. There's like a little food market place here. It smells really good. I guess some people go in through this door too. Okay. And then up here, I took a grab taxi. It took about 15 minutes. And it was about 94 baht, which is like about $3 American. It's alright. And we're gonna go in. So we're gonna film this. There's like kind of a Christmas one. There's the all the billboard signs, and we're gonna walk into this space right here. So okay, we got Thai juices. Smells great. It smells really good. Shopping. Light bulbs. It's cool. Mango. Some fresh. It's really tasty too. Okay, so it looks like we have a lot of stuff here. Biryani rice. Okay. Smells really good. Looks really good too. Okay. Outdoor sitting area. We're gonna try to go around. Okay, so we're gonna walk in a minute. So when you go inside, it's going to be a very generic mall, but this is the food court area, kind of walkway that people take here, as you can see. Okay.